Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the OMNI Academy and Consulting. I am Zaram and today my topic is how to create group matrix report in Zoho CRM. So to create a group matrix report, we have to follow these steps. Number one is click on reports module and then create your report. Select module and module information. Select matrix reporting report type. Select row and column fields for data. Add filter if needed. Add basic information, name, description, and folder. This is the view of Zoho CRM. So let's go to the application and create a new report. So first log in into the CRM. After logging, select reports module and click on create report button. Now add the details of report. First module information. Select the module and selecting accounts. Continue, and in the report type select matrix report, then press continue. In matrix report we can use only 2 columns of the module. So first select your raw heading, shipping country, and in the column account type, then press continue. Choose the column to total. So click on column to total and select as your requirement. I'm selecting record count, then continue. So if you want to add a filter, you can also add filter here. Form created time. Press continue. In the basic information, select your folder you want to select. Let's create a new folder. Account type something and save. Write the name of the report, account type, description. Now press save. So this is the our report, the matrix report. You can see the rows is the account type and the column is shipping country. If I want to change, if I change the billing country, then here you can see the billing country, United States, and account type. Thank you for watching us. I am Azhar Ahmed from OMNI Academy and Consulting.